Okay. Trachea. The esophagus is kind of like this part here behind it. So the muscle that immediately covers the trachea, sternohyoid. That's how you recognize it. And you go in logical order. The external ones are the cleidos. So you have cleidocervicalis, cleidomastoid, sternohyoid, sternomastoid, and omohyoid. So start by outside to inside. The outside ones are all the cleidos. Cleido refers to your shoulder. So based on logical thinking, which do you think comes most external? Cleidocervicalis or cleidomastoid? Cleidocervicalis. Exactly, because cervicalis is your shoulder. So the most external one right here, cleidocervicalis. That only leaves the next one, cleidomastoid. Sternohyoid, you know by virtue of it being the first one covering the trachea. What's that? So you have two muscles left, which is the sternomastoid and your omohyoid. The omohyoid is very special in that it's the only muscle that runs this way. So the rest of the muscles all run this way. The omohyoid runs this way. So that would be this one.
Can you turn that a little?
By virtue of elimination, that only leaves your sternomastoid, which runs from the mastoid to your sternum. Sternomastoid. Okay? And then you know your cervical trapezius. You have your spinodeltoid. Your cleidobrachialis is what's bordered by the blue veins. You have your omotransversalis, this strip of muscle right here. You have your cutaneous trunci, the one that sticks to it. Some of the deeper muscles include rectus thoracis, which is a strip of muscle that overlays the rectus abdominis. The rectus abdominis runs down all the way to become your abs. This is your rectus thoracis. It's a strip which is usually across the rectus abdominis. Think of it as kind of like a seat belt.
Okay.
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 Yep. And then you have your serratus dorsalis, serratus ventralis, and then what else is there? Yep. You have your thoracic trapezius. This is your thoracolumbar fascia. Underneath it is your aponeurosis. The muscles underneath, over here related all alongside to it, will be your erectus spinae. Over here's your whole thoracic trapezius, right? And then cervical trapezius is the triangular patch right here. Okay. So this is your cervical trapezius. And then this part right here would be your supraspinatus. Can someone please? Okay. Can I have the muscles? Hold on. I'm trying to locate myself. You have your rectus thoracis, and then you have your rectus abdominis here. This part right here is the deep muscle, deeper part. It's your scalenus. Okay. You can see it kind of like right here as well.
What is it?
Scalenus.
Where is it? Like, I mean, where is the hair?
Yeah, it's deeper here.
Okay.
And then this right here is your cervical trapezius. Yeah. Okay. If you notice it, this portion is over this portion. That's the cervical trapezius. Cut it. This portion that's a bit deeper. That's your rhomboideus. And then underneath your rhomboideus will be your splenius. S-P-L-E-N-I-U-S. Okay. Cervical trapezius. Then on the inner layer is the rhomboideus, like this layer right here. And underneath the rhomboideus is your splenius. So there's 3 layers right on top of each other. The splenius, the rhomboideus, the cervical trapezius on top of everything. Okay? Oh, I didn't say that. And then you'll need to know your biceps complex. Okay. So you have your coracobrachialis, which is the shiny muscle, kind of like right here.
Coracobrachialis?
Yeah. Then you have biceps brachii short head, right here. Biceps brachii long head, right here. Followed by triceps medial head, kind of like, it's not cleared out very well. But if we ever separate it into 2, like this part here, that's your triceps medial head. Triceps long head, right here.
The long head would be like the bottom part.
Turn it over. This part here, triceps major lateral head. Lateral head. So you can see part of the long head here, but this whole thing is the lateral head, long head, and then there's medial head, shiny part, bordering, which serves as the distinction between biceps and triceps. Coracobrachialis, very good. Biceps brachii, long head, and biceps brachii short head. Long head's outside, as usual. Short head. Spinal deltoid, cleidobrachialis in the middle. I think that's about it.
Thank you.
Yeah, sure.